All right, let's go ahead and check out this else feature that's new to Storyline. So what we're doing right now is creating just checkboxes so that we could test out the feature. And I've created 4 checkboxes. Then I'm going to create a button that says submit. I'm just aligning the checkbox. And then just changing the background. Then from here, we're going to add a text that says, click the checkboxes or check all the boxes and then click submit. And then from here, we're going to also create multiple states. So we're going to go to edit state. And then we're going to do all checkboxes. And then we're going to change the text. And then we're going to do not all checked. And then we're going to change the text box to something else. You didn't check all the boxes. And then this is where the magic happens. We're going to create a trigger. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the state of that text on the bottom to say all checked, which means it's going to say great job. The all checked state when the user clicks the submit button. When user clicks the submit button, and then the condition is that all the checkboxes are checked. So I duplicated all the checkboxes and then we change it to selected, which means that all the checkboxes need to be selected to show up and say great job, or else the checkbox or the text box is going to say something else, the not all check state. And then we're going to preview. Here we go. Once you checked just the 3, when you click on it, it's going to say you didn't check all the boxes. Once you click all of them, it says great job. And that is the simple use case for the else feature trigger in Storyline.